Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. To run an effective marketing campaign, you need to know what works. That's why we've built A/B testing right into our app. You can split test any campaign to eliminate the guesswork and make data-driven decisions on what works best. With the click of a button, you can create a variation of your original campaign to test different content, headlines, layouts, styles, campaign triggers, and more. Once you've created a split test, you can rest assured that OptinMonster takes care of the rest. It will randomly show each campaign variation to your visitors until you determine there's a clear winner. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned pro, you'll find it easy to analyze the conversion stats. Our conversion analytics provide you with detailed insights into your campaign's impressions, conversions, and the web pages that give you the best results. So, are you ready to start making data-driven marketing decisions for improved conversions and sales? Use the code in the description to receive a special discount and create your risk-free OptinMonster account today.